Ladies and gentlemen, Connie Dieken.
Hi, everybody. Good morning. Hello. Let's make some noise again. Good morning. I'm here today because I'd like to spark a transformation on how you experience 3 words. Just be yourself. Every time you face the unknown, someone feeds you this tired old cliche, just be yourself, like popping a pacifier into your mouth. Haven't you secretly wondered if just being yourself was really enough? I know I have. I'm feeling that right now. I believe just be yourself is incomplete advice if you want to be successful in today's marketplace. Well-meaning, but inadequate. It begs for more substance and measurement, because what the world is really telling you is be yourself, but measure up. The senior leaders that I coach understand this. They are painfully aware of this. They realize that performance is under the microscope like never before. And you may be feeling it too. You are living in a world that comes at you, testing you, judging you. In the blink of an eye, everything can change. We are living in a world that demands perfection, yet craves authenticity. It's a paradox. Think about it. You cannot be perfect and authentic. In your industry, for example, you are expected to measure up by putting on perfect meetings despite lower budgets and tighter time frames, and to be really jolly person as you are weaving this magic. You're expected to be superhuman and human at the very same time. We are all so exposed today, and people can't wait to find fault. And the thing is, no one is immune. Now listen to this part.
She was clearly having some sort of audio problems. You could see she pulled out her earpiece at one point during singing, but you would not have known from her performance that she was struggling on any level.
Men never know when women are faking it, do they? Beyoncé said that she lip-synced because she is a perfectionist, and she didn't want to mess up during such a momentous occasion. I don't know about you, but I have struggled with this authenticity and perfection trap for years. Any perfectionists in the room? Oh yeah, I would think so here. As you can imagine, being on television meant facing a lot of criticism. Snipers were everywhere, tossing verbal grenades. They sent me letters and emails like, your butt looks fat in those pants, or you really shouldn't wear that color, honey, it drains your face, or your hair is ugly. Well, of course it was ugly. It was the late 80s. We had big shoulder pads and big hair, didn't you? My hair was teased, it was lacquered, it was a helmet. And yet, I was expected to keep it real beneath that beehive.